So yeah, Virtuous Nation, you don't know that was a little rendition of us, you know what I mean, carrying out our thing and making sure that no matter what you go through in our life, you don't know you have to fight the fight, you have to push through no matter what. Although you don't know the year was a rough year for everybody, I want to big up on a nice clean self. I don't know, support the thing, enough more content to drop, you know what I mean? Just look out for it. So from my family to Uno, blessings and respect. Have a very, very Merry Christmas. I don't know.